Imagine a peaceful garden full of flowers. Gentle wind blows through the leaves of a big tree. Buddha sits there, calm and smiling. People gather around him, eager to learn. Buddha says, "Welcome. Today I will teach you 10 ways to handle disrespect." 1. Be like a lotus flower. A lotus flower grows in mud but stays clean. When someone disrespects you, let their words be like mud. They won't stain your good character. 2. Be like a reed, not an oak. A strong wind can break a stiff oak, but a flexible reed bends and survives. Learn to bend without breaking when someone is rude. 3. Empty your cup to learn. Imagine your mind as a cup. To learn new things, you must empty the cup of old ideas. When someone disrespects you, listen with an open mind instead of getting mad. 4. Be like bamboo. Bamboo is strong but can also bend. Be strong in your values, but be flexible in your approach. Don't let rude people change your beliefs. 5. See disrespect as a reflection. When someone disrespects you, it might be because they are struggling with something inside. Just like a mirror reflects your face, their behavior might reflect their own problems. Be like a soothing river. A river cleans everything in its path. Be kind and understanding when someone disrespects you. Maybe they are carrying a heavy burden. 7. Learn from disrespect. Just like a caterpillar changes into a beautiful butterfly, disrespect can help you grow. Use rude behavior as a chance to learn and become stronger. 8. Sometimes silence is best. When someone disrespects you, you don't always have to fight back. Sometimes, staying silent is the most powerful response. 9. Don't need approval from others. Imagine a tree with delicious fruits, but the tree doesn't care if you eat them. Don't rely on others' approval for your self-worth. Find your value in yourself. 10. Follow your moral compass. A compass always points north. In life, let your morals be your guide. Even when people disrespect you, hold on to your good values. Buddha finishes his lesson. The people bow, thanking him for his wisdom. They leave the garden feeling peaceful and strong, ready to face the world. Ladies and gentlemen, today, let's embark on a journey of self-empowerment, a path paved with resilience and wisdom. In the face of disrespect, remember that your response defines your character. Here are key principles to guide you through challenging moments. Firstly, be a lotus in the muddy pond of negativity. Let insults slide off like water, preserving your purity. Resilience is your anchor. Like a flexible reed in a storm, bend, but do not break. Empty your mind's cup of preconceptions. Approach disrespect with an open heart and clarity. Stand tall and strong, like bamboo in the wind, adapting without compromising your core values. Consider disrespect as a mirror reflecting others' struggles. Let their negativity bounce off you, understanding it's a projection of their issues. Cultivate compassion. Be a soothing river washing away bitterness with kindness. Transform challenges into opportunities for growth, emerging stronger and wiser. Silence can be your greatest ally, echoing wisdom. Practice non-attachment, finding your worth within, independent of external validation. Be guided by a moral compass, unwavering in times of disrespect. Remember, you have the power to shape your response and rise above negativity. Embrace these principles, for within them lies your strength. In the garden of life, let the blossoms of resilience, compassion, and wisdom guide you. Face disrespect not with anger, but with the serene strength of a soul rooted in self-awareness. You are capable of transforming adversity into triumph. Stand tall, navigate with integrity, and let disrespect be but a passing storm on your journey to greatness. Thank you.